Are you ready to jump into the world of tech sales? Whether you're a seasoned salesperson or a total newbie, the tech industry is one of the fastest growing fields. In today's video, we're going to break down how to get into tech sales and how to set yourself up for success. Tech sales is all about selling technology, whether it's hardware, software, or IT services. The goal is simple. Help your clients solve their problems with the latest tech tools. From computers to SaaS products, the industry offers a huge variety of sales roles, each with its own unique challenges and rewards. Here are the steps to get started. Step 1. You have to build your knowledge. You don't need a degree in computer science to get into tech sales, but it helps to have some tech knowledge. A background in IT, engineering, or even business can give you the edge. If you don't have a technical degree, no worries. You'll find plenty of courses available to build your tech knowledge. Step 2. Gain sales experience. Tech sales is still sales. If you've got experience in traditional sales, you're already on the right track. Familiarize yourself with the sales cycle, customer relationship management tools, and how to build relationships. These transferable skills will set you up for success in the real world. Step 3. Certifications and networking. Consider earning certifications like the Certified Professional Salesperson, CPSP, to boost your resume and to show future employers you're serious about this career. And don't underestimate the power of networking. Connecting with people on LinkedIn or reaching out to hiring managers is a great way to get your foot in the door. Tech sales could be your gateway to a rewarding and high-paying career. By building up your technical knowledge, gaining sales experience, and networking like a pro, you'll be ready to hit the ground running. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of tech sales and start your journey today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips.